it's Saturday and welcome to another weekly vlog. Now the reason I'm doing this today is because I was so convinced this morning that it was Monday. Like my whole lockdown, isn't it? I mean, everything's just all over the place. You may or may not have seen it, I think it might be coming up next week instead, but I've just filmed a video with my friend Meg, whose channel will be linked below. We did a very juicy Q&A with some questions that we were, and like assumptions that we were given when we asked on Instagram. Yeah, I think editing wise I'm gonna have to cut a lot of it out, but you'll get to see some of it anyway. And then we're gonna go for some drinks later on as well, just to kind of finish off the day really nicely. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do a big tidy of the house and my room and just everything that's a mess, and probably tidy the kitchen too before I get through a lot of work that I've got to do today. I might do a bit of a time lapse of my room. It's a tip, but I would like to give myself the benefit of the doubt because I have been trying to finish off a degree, so tidying was not my priority, but I think a time lapse might be fun to watch, so let's go. So I gotta get ready to go out. I was dressed this morning in jeans and a bodysuit, but I just couldn't like lounge around in that, so I put pyjamas on for just like during the day. And I've got an outfit that I want to wear, but like in terms of dressing to suit my like figure or, you know, whatever. You know how like, some of you might have grown up with this, I don't know, but like I was growing up being told, oh, wear all black because it's flattering and blah blah blah. Well, the outfit that I want to wear is some like mom jeans, which I've spent months looking for, and it was getting harder and harder because my jean size was going up with lockdown, so it made it even more impossible to try and find some, but I finally found some. And then I've got this like khaki green bodysuit I kind of want to wear with it. I'm going to try it on, but I don't think it's going to look very good. We'll see. Hold on. Should we do a transition actually? You ready? Okay. Oh, you know what? I don't hate it. I mean, I'm already self-conscious. I'm not even outside yet and around people, which worries me a bit. But like, what do we think? I mean, the day will have gone by the time you see this, so but let me know anyway. I kind of just want to do it. I just want to like not care what I look like, but I don't know how to do that. Do I like that? I just don't think the earrings did for me. The pants. That looks better, doesn't it? Like that, this style's better. This zip does not stay like in the right place, which I don't understand. Oh, I don't know, I think it's a bit brave.
2 hours later.
I'll try a different top. Hold on. Transition time again. Jokes, it's me. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna keep this footage in here because if you ever spend that long deciding on an outfit to then not wear it and end up just going in all black, don't. Just wear it. Just wear whatever you want to wear. Honestly, like who cares enough? Who cares that much? I mean, yeah, I just hope you don't do that. I feel like I'm not going to be alone in doing that, but I did end up just going out in all black, and it was fine. I didn't regret it or anything like that, but next time I'm going out, I'm going to wear that. I'm going to wear it, I'm going to be brave, because who cares? I'm being very lazy and just recording this on my phone, but I've just got ready. I need to do my lips still, but I've got ready to go to the Trafford Centre tonight. I'm meeting my cousin who I've not seen for ages. I'm gonna eat, and I'm so excited just to eat. I'm gonna go all out, and I'm hoping there's gonna be some sort of like place where I can get like, you know, like all over TikTok you see like all the waffles and like the crepes and all crepes or whatever it may be, and like all like the just super duper unhealthy desserts. I just really want that. I've been recording again some of my performance, which you will never ever hear, and yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna wear yet. Probably I think I'm gonna go with like jeans and a nice top and some like wedges of some sort. Definitely not having the whole ordeal from the start of this vlog with the jeans, which I did end up wearing. I can't remember if I told you. I only went to the shops, but I didn't feel very confident, which is what it's all about really, isn't it? I'm not sure what I think about this makeup. What do you think? I mean, I don't normally go for like the bluey colour. I wanted to wear lashes, but I've not worn them in months, and I think the lash glue expired because it would not go tacky. Like I left it for ages and I was blowing on it, which is controversial. And like, you know what? Side note, I just feel like you can't say anything anymore. Like, I think I've said things quite a few times this vlog where I thought, oh, someone's gonna say something, someone's gonna judge or argue or whatever. Even though sometimes it's like literally anyway, my Fitbit broke. I never said that. This is like the 4th Fitbit I will have had. 5th Fitbit I will have had in the last 3-4 years, which is a bit rubbish, but I do like them, and I can't get an Apple Watch because I have a Samsung and I'm not changing that. I've got Apple everything else. I'm sticking it to my Samsung, yeah. But I'm excited, so I'll see you soon. Hey, so it's Monday. I had a few lovely comments from my last vlog the other day about people saying they were happy that I'm back, and I am. I'm going to be trying to upload every Sunday and Wednesday if I can. I've recently just got a new idea for like a series of videos I'm just going to test out and see what people think. It's going to be like how to create passive income through Etsy by making little like digital products that'll sell really easily without you having to do anything once you've made it. So I'll be doing a few tutorials on things like how to create highlight covers, presets, digital art for people to print off, things like that. Hopefully all like kind of social media based as well, so that it can help you if you might need to make highlight covers for a client or that kind of thing. So that'll be going up. I'm not sure what day that'll be yet, but I'm hoping to introduce that. Maybe every Wednesday, maybe I'll have like certain days for certain things. I'm hoping to come up with some sort of schedule where it's like, I don't know, social media Saturday or that kind of thing. But today I got up and tidied a little bit, and then I'm already like halfway through, just over halfway through my to-do list for the day. It's 1:45 now. I'm going for a meal and I need to leave here at 4:30, so I need to start getting ready at 4, but I think I've got a call at 4, so I'll have to get ready at 3:30. And so far today I've got left to do schedule some content for the rest of the week for somebody, and I'm doing like a step-by-step guide on how to optimize your YouTube videos and like the title, the description, all that kind of stuff, which is what the call is about. So I've got to finish that off today, and then that's pretty much me done for the Monday. I'll probably want to do a few bits when I get home, but yeah, I'm feeling very productive and on track for the day, so yeah. Hey, I've just filmed a video. I've been for a meal today with my family, which was good. I'm actually on a really strict diet right now, which this kind of broke, which I can talk about more if you want me to, but that's up to you. I don't want to like bore you with diet stuff, and I know it can be quite damaging for some people, so if I do talk about this later in the video, there will be a warning just to keep you prepared. And I've moved my room around a little bit. I've tidied up my desk because I saw a picture from when like a few weeks after I got the desk, and it was spotless, and it didn't look like that before, so it's looking a bit better now. And I wanted to have my window in the background so that when I'm facing the normal way and in a meeting, the sun is shining on me rather than when I was sat this way and the sun was behind me, so the lighting was all off. But yeah, I just filmed a video that should be up by the time you're watching this. It was about Etsy and creating digital artwork. Overall, I've had a pretty good day and I've been really productive. I had a call again with a lady I spoke about in last week's vlog, which was talking through YouTube and like the best ways to use it and optimizing titles and videos and all that kind of stuff. And she's so lovely, and it was really good to talk to her. So I'm hoping I get to speak to her again soon. And if by any chance she's watching this, then hello and thank you so much for being so lovely. I'm pretty much done for the day, and I've done everything I needed to do. So I'm going to make a to-do list for tomorrow, wake up nice and early and get cracking. So yeah, see you tomorrow. I can't remember what I last spoke about. I only spoke to you last night, but busy day today. I've been using my So Typical Me, I think it was called, journal diary thing that I bought at the start of the year, £23, and I was like, that's expensive, but you get to customise it. And I have never once got through a whole week like writing everything down. So, well, you get stickers as well. I'm going to start using it properly, but... So I've done one thing so far today on my to-do list, and it's 1:30, but I've had a litre of water. So, I mean, I've done something good. I still doing that Exante diet. I don't know whether... I kind of want to do like a... Oh my... I always do this. I end up burning... I've got You won't be able to see it, but you really can't see it. There's no point in me doing that. I always end up burning my plant on my candle. Oh. Yeah, I moved my desk around. I don't know if I even told you that. Not that that's that exciting, but my desk was like in this space here, so the sunlight would be behind me and I was in meetings, so no one could even see me, and now you can see me very well. I do apologise for that. I'm going to do some content creation for a couple of people, 3 people, maybe me as well, so maybe 4. Got a meeting at 7:15 tonight. Time zones, amazing. I'm doing it. I'm wearing it. I'm doing it. I don't even care. I'm doing it. Gone for very like comfy, you know. I'm gonna leave before I can change my mind. See you soon. Oh wait, I'm going to return some stuff at the shops. I worked through my lunch, so I'm just gonna take this hour to have a little bit of a mooch around the shops. Maybe a haul, we'll see. Okay, I've been back for ages now. I'm at a really weird place. I've been back for quite a while. I've just had dinner and then I've got a meeting in literally 5 minutes and I fancy a coffee. It's like 7:10 at night, but you know, you just get those cravings. My dinner was really good. It was like some exante fajita wrap things, which were really good. With some, I made some like salt and pepper, broccoli and cauliflower with a little bit of low-fat cheese on top. Very, very good. But I'm gonna be late, so I need to go make this coffee. Bye.
So what are we doing?
I'm about to tell them that you've seen me sat in Costa this morning, so I did some work there. I think I told you I was going to do a haul the other day, but I only ended up buying a lamp, so it wasn't that exciting. And now I'm meeting Meg again, who I think we saw earlier this week in the vlog. We're going to go for a walk, and then I've got to do quite a bit today. I've just filmed a reel about my planner, and just posted another reel that did quite well. And today, finished scheduling some posts for someone for next week, create content for next week, content for someone else, get in touch with someone else, record a performance for university, and do an hour for like, do you know the YouTube person I was on about, the teaching iMovie? Got an hour of work for her to do today. How's today looking for you?
Gotta go to uni. That's about it really. Life's good.
Yeah, easy for you.
No, I'm terrified.
I did have the realisation today though that like, it doesn't end. Like, I'll finish uni officially in a week or so, and then I'm still working after that until I retire. And I do like my job, but you know, I think if everyone had the choice, you'd just do nothing all day.
So here's my question for you then.
Mm-hmm.
What's the expiry date of being a social media manager?
There is no expiry date.
Or social media person, because you never see like anyone above like
Not true.
30 or 40.
Yeah, but a lot of people, most people I work with are above.
No, I wasn't doing like the weekly vlogs though.
Well, yeah, but that's because.
Or is that just because you don't watch any of them? Because
No, that's because
No, I
people of that age. Like if I was in 20, 30 years, I might be one of those older people doing it because that's how I've grown up with it. But they didn't grow up with doing this kind of stuff.
fair enough.
Social media is
Good
just
answer.
getting more and more advanced. So.
Oh look, that's the vlog. You fancy camera. And then Beth's got spaghetti bolognese and a martini, hashtag martini. Hello. Do you know what? I'm really wanting to drink this now. Looks good. No.
Today is feeling like a very long day. I just made myself a coffee in my new mug, which I absolutely love. This was £2 from an M&S outlet store. I'm tired today, to be honest. And it's 4 o'clock now. I'm just about to go through my presentation for my coaching call tonight. We're doing about understanding insights and analytics, and then turning all that information into a report that they look to someone. So she'll get a free template on how to, you know, like just so she can put the information in herself, which is good. I'll do like my coaching calls. I'm just tired today. And I didn't really get through a lot of the other stuff that I planned to do. I had to rejig my whole day a little bit, so yeah, I have done absolutely none of those things yet today. Great. Ugh, I know. I've been experimenting, I've been messing about with my CV, and just, well, I suppose for a social media manager it's a bit more of a portfolio. I've been starting that out today. I'm not sure why I thought that was a priority, but that's what we did. I've had enough. It's been a very long day, and like there's a whole Friday tomorrow, there's a whole other day of working. And like I said before, I think I'm gonna have to work this weekend too. And like, it's not that, like, I love my job and everything to do with that, but like I am also finishing off a degree, so there's that stress. There's just the everyday stress of just everything, and I just need it to stop just for a little bit. But I think as well it's hard when you're freelance or like in control of your own hours and work and everything. Like, it's really hard to give, like, well, I can't give myself time off. It's not like in a normal job, if I need to like book a holiday or something like that, or book a few weeks off, someone else will just take over for me. Like, it doesn't work like that. So I just really need the weekend after next to roll around, I don't know what the saying is, so I can just have like a couple of days just to do nothing. I'm just really upset. I'm just really down. But you have bad days. Like, anyone that acts as if they love their job every second of every day is lying. Like, I really do love my job, I do, but it doesn't, like, no matter what job you are, but no matter what job you're in or what industry it is, like, you're gonna have bad days, and that's just how it is. So I do recommend the freelance life. I think it doesn't suit everyone, but like, if it's something you're interested in, don't let this put you off. It was just, I'm having a regular bad day, and I'm tired. I'm just so tired. It's like 11 o'clock now, so I should probably just go to bed. I need a shower as well, because I gotta get all dressed up tomorrow to record a performance, like my final university performance, which is normally done like on a stage, obviously, but I'm gonna be doing it over there in that corner, so very lovely and professional. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear yet. Oh, more things to worry about. And then I've got a list of stuff to do for tomorrow. I'm gonna sit in Costa in the morning, I think, because I work really well in there, and I just get everything done. So I'm gonna do that and then cry. So good night. This is a look for the evening. It's a sweatpants, very relaxed kind of thing, and I'm gonna take my makeup off. You can't see me because I don't have the ability to put the mirror on the wall. There you go. And I'm gonna make something to eat, like something just so unhealthy because it's cheat day today, so I'm gonna go all out. Hey, so I'm just coming to end the vlog. I think I stopped filming a couple of days ago. It's just been really sunny and really lovely, so I've just been enjoying the nice weather, working on the balcony and stuff like that. I'm not very well though at the moment. I think it's hay fever, which is a little bit rubbish. Probably one of the worst bits about summer, but what is it that people say now? We move. It's the truth. I'm gonna edit this. I've got a bit of work to do today, and then I'll probably vlog next week, because Monday is when things will like properly begin. I mean, I finished my uni degree this Friday, which means from Monday onwards, or maybe Saturday, Sunday, I'm a free woman. I'm a free working woman, so business will be my only focus from then on out, which is kind of crazy, but yeah. I hope you're all doing really well, and I'll see you next week. Bye.